Beautiful golf course community. This spacious second-floor condo has an open floor plan that includes a beautiful living room with a gas fireplace, a dining room which will fit a table big enough for entertaining family and friends, and a kitchen that has space for a breakfast area. The primary bedroom is on one side of the condo, which offers privacy and includes a full bath with a double vanity and a jetted tub. There is also a flex space that would work well as an office, nursery, or play space for the kids. On the other side of the condo, you will find 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. A tankless water heater was added in 2018 and a new refrigerator in 2021. The driveway, which was sealed in 2019, leads to a 2-car garage and allows additional parking in the driveway. The roof was replaced in 2021. Near recreation, restaurants, Navy bases, and beaches. Make an appointment today before it is gone.